Good day, everyone. For the activity, for the performance, I will be giving you the performance activity for the topic screen recording. So you are going to create a video recording about yourself. So it is a 5-minute video, at most 5 minutes. It's the maximum about your personal, telling about your personal details, educational background, skills, and hobbies, and other details that the company would like to know. That is important. So just like you are selling yourself to that certain company or uh, to the to that future company that you will be applying. So you are going to create a video and then just follow the demonstration, the video demonstration that uh, that I was giving you last time.